Hello there and welcome back to another video. By the title of the video, you must have known by now why I am making this video and what this video is all about. Yes, I've bought a new car. So before I tell you why I bought this new car and what was the reason for buying a new car, because I already have a pretty much new car, I bought it like 2 years ago. So before telling you why I bought it, let me unveil my new toy. So yeah, my new car is Tesla Model 3, as you have seen the video. So the reason why I bought an electric car is I wanted to go green. I wanted to participate in reducing climate change effect. That was one of the reasons I wanted to go electric. Second thing is this car is packed with technology, and I will be making another separate video about that, what sort of features this car comes with. This car comes with a lot of technology things, and I mean, it's pretty cool actually. So I will be making a separate video about that. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video, and kindly please subscribe to the channel. A sub to the channel will be amazing. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.